Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Tech and Talk, where we make SQL easy to understand. Today, we're exploring the like operator in SQL. If you're ready to enhance your SQL skill, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let's jump into today's topic. The syntax for like operator is select column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, whatever the column you are having in your table, you can take that column from table name where column name and in like clause you can provide the pattern to match. Now we will see all the use cases to cover the like operator. So first use case here, I want to find the name with a character count. So we have a fruit table. So you can see here apple is 5 character, banana, orange and grapes are 6 character. Now let's say I have to find the apple. Then what will be my SQL query? Select star from fruit where name like. Here I am giving the 5 time underscore because we want to find out the apple which is 5 character in length. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have given the 5 underscore. Let me execute it. You can see the result here, the apple only. Because apple is the only one thing which is in 5 character in length. Now let's say I want to find out 6 character. So we have a banana, orange and grapes. So all three fruits are 6 character in length. So here we use the underscore as a wildcard character. So this way you can use the wildcard to filter out the record with the like. In this use case, we're searching the name with pattern. So what will be my SQL query? Select star from fruit where name like. So we have a fruit table and let's assume you want to find grapes. So I am taking RAPE as my pattern. So we'll have to give this pattern inside the percent. RAPE. So here you can see we got the result. So similar way, let's say you want to filter out the banana, then you can provide any pattern. Here AN, AN. What will be my pattern? AN, AN. So see here the records are filtered based on the pattern. You can provide the apple also. So whatever the fields you are matching, you can provide it here. Similar way, let's say what is the common here? AN is common. Let's say, let me give the AN. So see here, we got a two fruit now with the AN pattern matching. So banana, it has also the AN and orange also has a AN. So this way you can use the percent wildcard for the pattern matching with a like. In this use case, let's say we have to find out some record with the name start with some pattern. So what will be my query? Let's say I want to filter out the record with the AWP at the start. Then what will be my query here? Select star from fruits where. So which column I have to find out? Name start with AWP, right? Here then I will give AWP then followed by percent. So it will search AWP first and whatever the rest character followed by percent. Let me execute it. See here we are getting the result apple only. Similar way, let's say you have to filter the record for banana. Then I will give BANA So it will search all the fields with BANA pattern. Fourth use case is pretty much similar to the third one. Here the only difference is in the third use case we are searching with the start, and here we are searching with the end with the pattern. So what will be my SQL query here? Select star from fruit where name like, let's say I have to find out PLE at the end, then I will give the percent first and then PLE, because PLE is at end, right? So let me execute it. So now I am getting the apple here only. So similar way you can search for other fields also. Let's say I want a orange. Now I will give the NGA. Today we have covered the like operator in SQL and what are the use case of the like operator in SQL. Thank you for joining me today on Tech and Talk. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friend and subscribe for more tech content. I will see you in the next video.